Your career story is the story of your journey. It is a road you travel to get where you are today. We humans love stories since our childhood and get associated with them. Storytelling is the most fundamental element of modern advertising and marketing. Let's learn today how to craft your unique career story. Welcome back to the day 4 of 30 Days Job Search Challenge. Hi, this is Sesha Namdev here. I am on a mission to help 10,000 plus fresh job seekers in getting their first job without getting overwhelmed and stressed in a holistic way through personal transformation. Today we are going to learn why you need a career story and how to use your career story to land your desired job. So let's begin. Your career story narrates your career journey in a story format. It is a summary of your professional life covering experiences, education, passion, and your reasons to choose your career path and your career aspirations. Career story will help you writing a compelling resume and cover letter. Recruiters will spend just seconds reviewing your application materials during the first round of screening candidates for a job. Your resume and cover letter should quickly convey a clear picture of why you are the only one qualified for the job, but that's a great fit for your target career goals. In a job interview, many common questions can be answered through your career story. For example, why are you good fit for this position? Tell me something about yourself, and why should we hire you? You can answer such questions with a compelling narrative about your professional journey. It can be used as an amazing introduction, just like an elevator pitch while networking. Whether you are networking online or in a person, your career story is a memorable way to get a conversation started with new connects. It is a form of getting to know you that is the focus on your professional ambitions. In addition, it opens the door for the other person to offer advice, encouragement, or even references that could land you that next great job. It can be the beginning of developing your personal brand. Many of the elements of a personal brand, such as your values, passion, and unique selling proposition, will become visible to you as you work on developing your career story. So let's see what are the most fundamental elements that needs to be catered in your career story. To design your career story, you need to follow a structure. Always start with beginning of your career. Where have you been? Start your narrative by briefly reviewing how you became interested in your career and got started in your field. Then explain briefly where are you now. Cover your prior roles, accomplishments, and transitions up to this point. No need to go in details. Just highlight major decisions, turning points, and accomplishments, and also the most defining moments in your career. At last, you need to tell where you want to go. You need to connect the dots and frame the available role as the next logical step in your career path. Include details that describe what makes you uniquely qualified for the opportunity. You can also include how do you describe your value, what is important to you, your life and work priorities, and also what has influenced you or what is influencing your career. I would love to share an example. Suppose you are targeting a leadership role. Okay, so your story could be, I knew I wanted to lead people ever since I trained my first mentee and took on a team lead role at a local hackathon. I have always found immense satisfaction motivating and guiding people towards their personal and professional goals. As a software developer for over 8 years, I have mentored over 15 individuals and even helped revamp our induction program for new hires at my current company. The opportunity to move into a lead role is the one I know my past experiences have prepared me for, but also a challenge I cannot wait to take on. Isn't it a perfect example? To conclude, a career story is a creative process of learning more about yourself, your life, and career journey. It is a systematic way of reflecting and presenting your career as a connected whole, as well as learning from your journey, identifying what is meaningful to you, and being empowered to vision, plan, and act to get the career and life that you desire. Last but not the least, your action for today is to create your unique career story by understanding yourself a little better and practice it multiple times to master it. Now, take a moment and ask to yourself whether you can implement all these things with ease or not. If the answer is yes, then I invite you to be a part of my next webinar where I do work with growth seeking professionals who really want to transform their life and career. Visit my website seshanamdo.com and submit your details, and you will get my future webinar details that I am conducting about. I look forward to help you in your journey. Attend the webinar and then you can decide how to take this journey ahead. Remember, to grow in your career, you need to take action. And the best time to take action is now. Thank you so much for listening this podcast. This is Sesha Namdev here, signing off for today. Thank you.